Hello, techies. Alright, this is CompTIA Lab 8.1.3 and we are going to explore virtualization. Alright, so we have all the details of the tasks that we're going to be performing in this lab on the left pane. So let's get into the details of what we are going to be doing in this lab. So in this lab, you will practice running virtualization machine. Your computer has 3 creativity named virtual machines installed on it. Alright, so you have virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, and virtual machine 3. So to run a virtual machine, use Hyper-V Manager, which is open by default. On the left side of the application, select IT admin to view the virtual machines. Double click a virtual machine to launch it. One of the advantages of using virtual machine is the ability to run multiple operating systems simultaneously on a single physical computer. For example, you may wish to run older operating system on a VM to test the background compatibility of application. Another use is to run a server OS on a client system. So to complete this lab, use the virtual machines to answer the questions. Okay, to view a computer's operating system version, open the settings app, select systems. You have to be aware that there is no system option. Skip this step. So select about, scroll down to view. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see the questions that we have. What operating system is running on the virtual computer? Okay, so let's open this, and here we want to type in let's see, about. We want to go to about, and Windows 11 Pro, that is the operating system here. What operating system is running on the virtual machine? So let's go to the virtual machine here, and virtual machine 1. So starting, okay, so this looks like Windows. Let's just go and check just to be sure. We don't want to guess. So we go to system, go to about. So this is going to give us details of the operating system here, and from what we can see here, as you can see, Windows 10 Enterprise. So Windows 10 Enterprise is running here, and that is the last option here. Alright, so the next question, what operating system is running on virtual machine 2? So let's go to virtual machine 2, click on virtual machine 2. This opens up. We go to settings from the start menu, go to systems, and then go to about, and scroll down. Let's see, we have Windows Server 2019 Data Center. So Windows Server 2019 Data Center, that is what it is. So we click on this, and let's close this. Alright, so let's go to virtual machine 3. We click on this, and then open this up. Go to settings, go to settings. So this is Windows Server 2022 Data Center. So let's scroll down and select Windows Server 20. This Windows Server 2022 Data Center. Alright, so that is it. Is there another thing we need to do? All the questions are answered. Now let's go ahead and close this. Let's maximize this, minimize this, and let's see. Virtual machine 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go back to the question and see what we omitted here. Okay, the memory networking. No, these features is not currently turned on. So, all right, so that is it. Let's see. We'll go ahead and see how we do. So let's call lab. Alright, so everything is 100%. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and remember to share among your colleagues and other students in other educational platforms so that they can benefit also. If you have further questions, hit me up in the comment section or make use of the WhatsApp number attached to this video. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. Peace.